Hi, welcome to the tutorial on including dependent packages on the Change Assistant. The objectives of this tutorial are to understand how the Include Dependent Packages option works, analyze the summary analysis report after the option is enabled for the selected software updates. You can enable the Analyze Packages option and Summarize Packages option from the Search for Packages, Work with Packages, and Work with Batches applications. You can select the Include Dependent Packages option from the Analyze Packages and Summarize Packages option. Log on to Change Assistant. Enter the details as shown on the screen. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will run the Search for Packages application. You will see the list of software updates. By default, all the software updates are selected. Select the packages for which you want to enable the Include Dependent Packages option. We have selected two software updates. Select the Summarize Packages option. Ensure that the Include Dependent Packages option is selected. Click OK. The system searches for all the dependent packages and lists the dependent packages. You can filter the dependencies by bugs, objects, and objects by bugs. Click the Objects tab to view all the objects in the dependencies for the software updates that we selected. Similarly, you can view the bugs and objects by bugs in the dependencies for the software updates that we selected. You can save this information by selecting the Export All option and downloading this information on your local system. You can view this information in an Excel sheet on your system. Now, let's review the Include Dependent Packages option using the Analyze Packages option. Ensure that the Include Dependent Packages option is selected. Click OK. You can view the summary analysis report in an HTML, XML, or a CSV format. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have selected the HTML format to view the report. The report shows the list of all bugs, all objects, and the list of dependent packages as well. For more information, you can access the Software Updates Guide from the Oracle Help Center. Thanks for watching.